This is why it makes zero sense for you to buy a house in LA or New York and instead, when starting out, to buy in another state. When I started, I was living in New York City and rent was so damn high. I was thinking these landlords are probably making a killing. Boy, was I wrong. Once I actually started learning about investing, I realized that it wasn't just the rent price needing to be high, it was how high the rents were compared to how expensive the property was. Let's look at buying a house in San Francisco where the median home price is $1.6 million. Good luck getting the down payment for that, but let's say you did. You'd still have a really high mortgage every single month of $8,780. But the average rent price of a house in San Francisco is only $3,905. You'll end up losing $4,800 per month and let someone else live in your house. Does that make sense? Whereas instead, let's say you bought in a city like Bay St. Louis, Mississippi, where the median home price is $49,713 and the median rent price is $914 per month. Your mortgage will be $266 per month, and you'll be using that $900 in rent to cover that plus all the other expenses you have, and then you'll have a couple $100 left over for yourself in profit. It's the ratio that matters. Follow for more tips for beginner real estate investors.